making my fried corn. It is a required dish on our Thanksgiving table, on our Christmas table. And speaking of Christmas, welcome to Vlogmas. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I am so happy to share this recipe with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. In this bowl, I've got 12 ears of corn. So I've got this ear of corn in this really big bowl. Down in this bowl, I'm gonna take this knife and just cut off the corn. I'm just cutting the corn off the cob. The cob now looks like that. Like I didn't go real deep into the cob. I just cut off the corn and it's now down in the bowl. Here's the next step that is so important. This step is essential to fried corn. If you don't do this, I'm not sure how your corn is turning out, because this is important. So you want to take a potato peeler, and I love the kind that look like this, okay? Use your potato peeler and then take your cob where you've removed the corn already and just scrape it. Scrape, scrape, scrape all the way around the cob. You'll get that, I don't know what this is called, but whatever it is, girl, it is essential to fried corn. You want to make sure that gets down in your bowl. And you just do the same process to all 12 ears of corn. I've seen some recipes say, take a bowl, turn it upside down, put the corn on top, and cut the corn off with the knife and all of the, I don't know. Girl, listen, whatever that process is, you don't need all that equipment. All you need is a deep bowl, something like this, and then just use your knife to cut the corn kernels off the cob. It's just that simple, girl. You don't need all that. Just a knife, a potato peeler, and a deep bowl. Girl, that's it. All right, so we've got our corn down in the bowl. This is 12 ears of corn. I've got already in the bowl 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flour right in. Next, I've got 1 cup of heavy cream, and I'm putting that right in. Fresh cracked black pepper and salt. I'm just gonna use a spatula and get that all mixed together. Now we're at my stove, and I've got 1 straight-sided pan with 1 stick of butter melted down in it. We're just gonna get all the corn down in this butter. I'll get the corn to come up to a simmer, and then I'll turn the heat down to the very lowest setting on my stove and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours until it's nice and thick. All right, so I'm back. The fried corn has been going for probably 1.5 hours on the lowest setting on my stove, y'all. Do not turn it up any higher than that. You bring it up to a simmer and then turn that heat down all the way to the lowest setting on your stove. That way it won't burn on the bottom, because you know we have heavy cream in this particular recipe. So let's see what it looks like. This is how it should look once it has cooked down for all that time. It's nice, thick, sweet, and delicious. So happy Vlogmas to everyone out there. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.